Hello everyone, good morning. So the good thing sa among hotel kay free breakfast. Kami ra ang tao. Cornflakes, Coco Crunch, drinks, we have fresh fruits, vegetables, also have for the toast, pancake and toast. They also have Indian foods, broccoli, pork balls, stir-fried broccoli and fried fish celery, chicken green curry, boiled rice with pork, sunny side up, chicken ham and chicken sausage, boiled egg, pad thai and fried rice, steamed rice, desserts, coffee and tea area. Breakfast. Char-char.
Kulang pa sa sugar na ko.
With unsalted butter. With strawberry, orange, yogurt. For our drinks, we have tea. That's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.